In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform Inbox. If you're collecting responses with Jotform and want a clean, organized way to review them, the inbox is where everything comes together. I'll walk you through getting there from the dashboard and show you what to expect so you can move confidently through your submissions. First, log into your Jotform account in your web browser. This takes you to your main dashboard where all your content lives. From here, we want to focus specifically on your forms, since the inbox is tied to each individual form. Near the top of the dashboard, click on the control that lets you choose a type or category. This is where you can narrow down what you're looking at. Filter your workspace to forms so that only your forms are listed. This keeps things simple and ensures you're looking at the items that actually have an associated inbox. Now find the form you want to review. Move your mouse to hover over that form's row or tile. When you do, you'll see quick actions appear, and one of them is the inbox option. This is the fastest way to jump straight into the submissions for that specific form. Click Inbox. Jotform will open a new view dedicated to that form's submissions. On this screen, you'll see what's been submitted. Typically, you'll notice a list of entries on one side, showing each submission as its own item, and the full details of the selected entry on the other side. It's designed so you can scan quickly on the left and read thoroughly on the right without losing your place. Each submission displays the answers exactly as your form captured them, along with timestamps and any uploaded files. If your form collects longer responses, the inbox will expand those fields neatly so you can read them without leaving the page. This layout makes it easy to understand context at a glance, and if your form uses labels and sections, those will carry over to make the data easier to parse. You'll also notice options in the inbox that help with organization, such as search, sorting, and filtering by attributes like date or status. These tools are there to help you focus on what matters most when you have a lot of entries. Think of the inbox as your central hub for reading, reviewing, and keeping your submissions tidy. That's it. By logging in, filtering to forms, hovering over your form, and clicking Inbox, you'll land right where all your submitted responses are collected and ready for review.